Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If copy paste is not working on your computer, then watch this video to fix it. The first thing we need to do is run the computer in the clean boot configuration. But before we do that, we'll run an SFE scan. So we will look for command prompt, right click on it, click on run as administrator, click on yes, and then input the command sfc space slash scannow and press enter. We'll wait for the scan to finish, and once the scan is done, we will restart in the clean boot mode. So we will look for system configuration, click on it, and then we will click on services. Now before we do anything else, we need to make absolutely sure that this box is checked, hide all Microsoft services, because if we don't and we disable any Microsoft service by mistake, then the computer will fail to boot up again. So we will go to the third-party services like Mozilla, McAfee. We'll tick this. Since we don't need them, we'll click on disable all, apply, then click on OK and click on restart. And you should no longer have a problem with copy and the paste function not working. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.